sunny day here, but boy, you can see from that flag is straight out. Wow, what is wrong with this? This trailer is losing its top in this wind. You see that, guys? I don't think that's going to last long. Wow. Okay. What do you think, Zach?
I tell you what, I'm surprised it's still on there.
Pretty amazing.
But guys, that's not all.
What?
Come look at my front hubcap.
What?
My front hubcap is gone.
The wind took it?
Hi, my name's Zach McConnell. Is this Garcia Mobile Wash? Hey, I got your card at the office here at the KOA, and they said you guys did a really good job, so I'm trying to inquire about your service. And as far as pricing goes, what are we looking at? No, I'm just wanting to get just a wash. We've had a recent wax, and so we just need to get that done.
Across the highway, and people who come through here, boy, it really picks the sand up. Little sandstorms. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it sure has gotten sandy out here. Well, there's Port Isabel, and that is the town just right before South Padre Island. Wow, Port Isabel is a really pretty city, and that lighthouse is super cool looking too.
Great spot. We came right across the bridge, came into South Padre Island, amongst all the skyscraping hotels, and there's the KOA with water all around it.
Got mahi nicks, and I know it doesn't sound good, but dirty owls.
Dirty owls,
which is
okay.
very popular.
Okay.
There's also Sea Ranch. It's very nice. It's kind of upper class.
Okay.
Which means
pricier. Okay.
Okay. The salon sides are going out. We've got the toll open on both tolls so that there's a nice passage of air. And Zach, that's to unhook it. And it is now going to spread out. And this is when Watson loves. It gives him more of a den. And magic, the wine cabinet appears. Pretty cool. So we've arrived at the KOA, and we're going to be pulling the slides out soon and getting everything hooked up. Gives you an idea where we're at. Just right across from the office, and there's the ocean. So we are looking forward to this.
Okay, so on the way here with all the wind,
Yeah.
and everything coming, I noticed this bottom big mirror was wobbling a lot. Sure enough, I pushed it in just now and it clicked back into place. So the wind was so strong. But guys, that's not all.
What?
Come look at my front hubcap.
What?
My front hubcap is gone.
The wind took it? The wind took it.
Well, the wind and the road wind and the crosswind, I guess you think about the speed we were going, plus the speed of the wind coming in kind of on an angle at us to the head, I guess.
Wow.
It's not there now.
Wow.
Yep.
And we didn't hear a thing in the bus.
Nothing.
Wow. It's gone.
Yep.
Okay. Well, we gotta get that fixed.
Yep.
Oh well.
Oh well. Hi, my name's Zach McConnell. Is this Garcia Mobile Wash? Hey, I got your card at the office here at the KOA, and they said you guys did a really good job, so I'm trying to inquire about your service in getting a wash. Can you tell me a little bit about that? Okay, yeah, we are in lot number 64A. Yes, we're a motorhome. We're a 45-foot motorhome. Okay, and as far as pricing goes, what are we looking at? No, I'm just wanting to get just a wash. We've had a recent wax, and so we just need to get that done. Okay, $100, okay, to wash, sounds good. And in that process, do you do DI water to avoid spotting, or how do you do it? No DI water. Hand towel. Okay, so you're washing and you're drying with microfiber cloth. Okay.
Thank you.
So you need to come either in the evening or in the morning to avoid spotting and drying. What time do you guys start in the mornings? 8:30. Okay. Yeah, I think 8:30 would be great. When could you come out? Tomorrow? Tomorrow works. And about how long would it take to wash it? Yeah, we do have a tow car. Okay. And it needs a wash. So you wash and wax with a ceramic wax on the car for an extra $25. We'll do that. So we're looking at a total of $125. Wash the bus, dry the bus. Oh, you do the roof as well. Okay, so do you get up on the roof? You do. Get rid of any mold, any green you see, wash the roof down. Perfect. And that's all part of the same price, $125. Okay, we'll do that. Tomorrow morning, yep, KOA, South Padre Island, 64A. Yeah, you can reach me here on the number that's showing up. That's correct. Zach McConnell. All right. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks.
Wahoo!
Honey, we're getting a full wash. The roof, the car's getting washed. Not only is the car getting washed, it's getting waxed. And they said they use a ceramic type wax. I'm sure it's not a full-blown regular ceramic. But anyway, we're getting wax washed on the car, wash the coach, and dry the coach, and do the roof on the coach as well. All in $125. That works.
Are you a happy camper?
I'm a happy camper.
Woohoo!
Garcia Mobile Wash. Yeah.
They told us it was a good price down here at South Padre.
Yeah, we have heard that. Some people were telling us, they said, oh, when you go to South Padre, you're going to want to get your rig done because the prices are really good. And they didn't really get more specific than that, but man, they were on it. Yeah.
And this is South Padre Island, not that South Padre that's next to Port Aransas.
Yeah.
This is way down close to Brownswood. Is it Brownsville?
Yeah, Brownsville, Harlingen area. Port Isabel was the town before we came across the bridge. So, yeah.
Super cool. I'm excited. Hey, we'll be showing them more tomorrow, won't we?
That's right.
And gets it all done. Woohoo!
The guys are finished up and they did a fantastic job. It's got a beautiful shine. Now, realize we also had the base part done, and that was back from Seth, where we had a great compound polish and wax. So this is our first major wash since then, and it really held up. And even the guys that were washing it today said what great beating there was for the wash work that Seth had done. But these guys, I tell you what, I don't want to shortchange them. At one point today, they probably had 5 or 6 guys out here on it working. They showed up at about 8:30 this morning and went for about 2 hours on this coach. And they did everything. They did the roof, and they did the sides all the way around. Everything was washed, the wheels, and then once they finished with that, then they came back over and hand dried the entire coach. They had a brand new pack of Microsoft towels they used, and they also used the microfiber pads to go through and do all of the soaping of the coach. So they really took care not to scratch anything. I thought it was a great deal. So, a little bit on pricing. The price for everything, the roof, washing the coach completely top to bottom, doing the wheels, the tires, tire dressing, and completely drying the coach was $125. So I think what they showed in getting everything done, they were right on point. Now that included the car. So this wasn't just the coach. That was all in that price. The car had one extra step. They used a spray-on ceramic wax. So it wasn't like a little bottle wax. It was I think a turtle wax or McGuire spray-on ceramic. But still, the car looks fantastic. So they did a great job. And when our friends said that you'd get a good deal here, they weren't kidding. So one of the items I wanted to make sure that they were aware of when they were doing our coach, we have these large chrome panels on the back, and they are susceptible to getting scratched easily. So I told the guy, I said, please watch out for this when you're doing it so that we don't get swirl marks or scratches or anything. And that's when he brought out this big pack of brand new microfiber towels, brought it over me to touch and feel. And he opened it up. I don't know, it probably had 50 rags, and they went through those while they were doing this. So a lot of care to make sure and protect the finish, not put any scratches in it as they did it. It was we're just real happy with it. So as you can see, they did a great job on the wheels. All the aluminum and chrome finished hubs were done. And then they put a tire dressing on the tires as well that looks really good. We had a little bit of grease and everything that'll always come out. Nothing that was problematic for the hubs, but you're just always going to get some of that. They went through, cleaned all that out. Everything looks good. Those tires look fantastic. My front hubcap is gone.
The wind took it? The wind took it. So the salon sides are going out. We've got the toll open on both tolls so that there's a nice passage of air. And Zach, that's to unhook it. And it is now going to spread out. And this is when Watson loves. It gives him more of a den. And magic, the wine cabinet appears. Pretty cool. Okay, so this is our neighbors, are these like little villas. And then there's a sitting area and then also a little dining area as well. That'll be nice to be able to have breakfast outside or even coffee. Great spot. So we are at Dirty Al's tonight in South Padre Island, and it's been recommended, so we're going to be checking it out.
Heck of a name, Dirty Al's, right? For dinner?
We'll let you know. what goes with a pina colada with a coconut rim? I'm gonna say fried mushrooms with a Parmesan crust dipped in ranch. Well, for dinner, I got the Islander, which is blackened fish with mushrooms and cheese with a salad. Oh, it's delicious.
Shrimp and fish basket. It's really good. Guys, here's the question. Why don't y'all ask Linda, what did she put on her salad for dressing?
Okay, so my vision wasn't very good tonight, and I put on tartar sauce, but I took it off. I fixed it. So today we are heading to Donna, Texas, because we had friends who had suggested that that's a really great place to camp over winter time, and we want to check it out now that we're down here. So come along with us, guys. We'd love to show you around. The Victoria Palms Recreation Hall, and you can see all the golf carts out here. Wow, this is really nice. Great room. Oh, and this is where you do ticket sales. All the concert. Wow, that's a nice fitness center. This is very nice. And big hot tub too. I really like the cabanas. It's a great pool. Got 2 hot tubs, that is true. That is really nice.